Look, Naya. Whoa! Oh, he's parachuting! Look at the guys parachuting!
Hello all, sad news experienced. A MiG-23 fighter jet crashed in a parking lot near an apartment complex during the Thunder Over Michigan air show in Belleville, Michigan, USA, Sunday afternoon, August 13, 2023 local time.
Oh my god! They ejected, but oh my god!
Thankfully, the pilot and crew managed to eject at low altitude and were not seriously injured, but were still taken to a nearby hospital. The Federal Aviation Administration and the U.S. National Transportation Safety Board will investigate the cause of the crash.
Stall out, or he was just flying too low.
5,000 aircraft have since been produced, making it the most produced variable geometry winged fighter attack jet in history. The MiG-23 family has been used in 32 countries around the world, including the Soviet Union, which was continued by Russia. As of 2021, a number of MiG-23s are still operated by the air forces of Angola, Cuba, Democratic Republic of Congo, Ethiopia, Kazakhstan, Libya, North Korea, Sudan, Syria and Zimbabwe. The 25th Thunder Over Michigan is one of the leading air shows in the U.S., which kicked off last Saturday through Sunday. Regarding the MiG-23, it is a variable geometry winged fighter jet that became the mainstay of the Soviet Air Force and its friendly countries developed in the 1960s. The first prototype of the MiG-23 made its maiden flight on June 10, 1967 and has been in service since 1970. We copy-paste this news from Google. Hope this is useful. Thank you.